Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome to my channel. So I just spent few hours watching CapCut generate an entire video from nothing but a sentence, and I needed to understand something. The thing that used to require ElevenLabs, ChatGPT, Pictory, and other softwares just happen in one software for free. No trial period, no credit card, just free. And I'm not talking about some junky beta feature that barely works. I'm talking about script generation, voiceover, AI footage, stock video matching, music, capture the whole pipeline in one tool. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Before, if you want to create faceless content, maybe let's say on history, science, true crime, whatever, you needed this workflow. You have to write the script, or you use ChatGPT to help you generate the script. Then you copy the script to ElevenLabs and you download the audio. Then you start working on the software. You start looking for where to get bureaus, or you go to Pictorial, you go to Pixar, and you start downloading footages naturally or manually, or you pay to get high quality matching video clips. You need music, you have to generate the capture and all the rest of that. I mean, it worked then, but it's just like juggling 4 or 5 tools, opening different tabs at the same time. But guess what? CapCut just killed that entire flow. So let's see how this actually works. First, you open your CapCut. You don't click on create new project. It will take you to the interface where you create normal projects. Click on AI video maker. When you click on it, it loads. It takes some time, some few minutes to from few seconds to load. Then you are welcomed with this interface. You will see trending AI templates. If you want to create a new video, you can click on the canvas. The other projects you've created can be in the script. Then on this trending or AI templates, you can click on use templates. There are many templates here to be used on, and once you click on use templates, it will generate your video to look exactly like the template you clicked on. So there are tens of templates to be used. Then when it comes to style, if you want to start from scratch, you can choose your style, what you want the video to look like. If you want a talking head avatar, you can click on that and it will generate the avatar for you. Just click on use avatar and it will generate your video using that avatar. So once we want to generate a script, we will first of all choose a style. But for this video, I'm not choosing any style at all. I like to choose a style for me. You will see how amazing it will choose a style that works best. But if you have a style in mind you want to choose, there are tens of styles to choose from. When you're done, you click on voice. There are also tens on voice you use. You could choose anyone you want, from baby voice to ladies, young men, and the rest of that. So what you do is you have to preview the voice to see what it sounds like. Welcome to creating. We will use this one for this project. So here comes the time. In this place, you choose how long you want your video to be. You can generate up to 10 minutes long video. You can click on 9:16 for short content. Then you place your script. So this is the script I've placed and I want it to work on. So let's adjust it. So let's click on generate for it to generate the script. You wait for a few minutes and you have this interface. Here you will have to choose some elements. You have to make some adjustment to your video. Okay, the script is ready, and here you can make some adjustments. You can choose video instead of image generation. Let's use video clips instead of images. You can change the style. You see the CapCut chose a style for us, so you can still make adjustment to the style if you want. You can choose the voice over narrator and all that. So when you are okay with the adjustment, you click on generate video. So it will divide the script into short scripts and generate media for each short script. So let's wait for it to do that. It's done with the voiceover. Now it's generating the media, and it will take like 9 minutes according to what is displayed. So the time it will take to generate your video depends on how long your video is. Here you can change the caption under element. You can change their tons of caption, and the one that has this diamond symbol on the top is not free. So look for the one that doesn't have any diamond symbol on the top and choose. So when you find a script, a style that you are okay with, you click on it and then click on apply. And moreover, if you don't want capture, you can off it at the top. So I will go with this one, click on it and click on apply. This is where the music is, the background music, in case you want to make adjustment to it. So you can make adjustment to the music. If you don't like the background music, you can choose a new one from here, but I'm okay with the one CapCut chose for us. So let's play it on full screen mode. It's not very clear here because of my network, but when you export it, you will see that it is very, very clear.
Light, but with their own biological radiance. This incredible ability is used for various purposes, from attracting mates and luring prey to defending against predators. One of the most iconic examples is the anglerfish, with its glowing lure dangling in the abyssal depths, attracting unsuspecting prey. Then there are the mesmerizing jellyfish, pulsating with ethereal light as they drift through the water. The vampire squid, despite its name, is a master of light, using bioluminescent ink to disorient predators, and who could forget the dazzling displays of plankton. Turning ocean waves into shimmering spectacles, these are just a few glimpses into the magical world of bioluminescent sea creatures, where light is life.
So that's the script, that's the video. You click on export if you're okay, but if you're not okay, you can make some adjustments. You can click on the script and replace it. If the media is not okay, you can replace it with a video or an image, and you click on generate, or you can look for a stock media, type in whatever you're looking for and search for it, then replace it with it. Or better still, you can still upload your own media if you have any, and when you are done, you click on done and it will reflect on your project. So let's click on export, and here you have to change the title of your video. You change the quality, the resolution, whatever. You make adjustment and you click on export, and our video is being exported. Oh, I've clicked export 2 times. It's fine. So you'll see the pop-up. You click on the pop-up and it should take you to where the video is saved on your PC. Let me delete the first one. So let's play this video and you'll see how clear it is. Those noise and glitches are not here.
Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism. It's a natural phenomenon found across many different types of organisms, but it's most famously observed in the deep sea. Imagine a world where creatures glow in the dark, not with artificial light, but with their own biological radiance. This incredible ability is used for various purposes, from attracting mates and luring prey to defending against predators. One of the most iconic examples is the anglerfish, with its glowing lure dangling in the abyssal depths, attracting unsuspecting prey. Then there are the mesmerizing jellyfish, pulsating with ethereal light as they drift through the water. The vampire squid, despite its name, is a master of light, using bioluminescent ink to disorient predators, and who could forget the dazzling displays of plankton. Turning ocean waves into shimmering spectacles, these are just a few glimpses into the magical world of bioluminescent sea creatures, where light is life.
Amazing. So we are done with the video, and you can see how amazing this video is. It's a feature in CapCut. You can try it out yourself. You can download CapCut from the description below and try it out yourself. If you have any question, drop it in the comment below and I would do well to answer you. Till next time, happy creating.